Okay, here is another problem on angles of elevation and depression. I want to show you how you can solve this question, and let's read the question to know what we want to do here. The question says a cliff on the bank of a river is 30 meters high. If the angle of depression of a point on the opposite side of the river from the top of the cliff is 60 degrees, find the width of the river. Find the width of the river. That is what the question says. Alright, so let's say here we have the cliff. So this is the cliff, and this is the base of the cliff. And here we have the top of the cliff. So let me put B here as the base of the cliff. Then we have the river flowing opposite the cliff. So here is the river is flowing from here to here, or is flowing from here to here. So I will put R here for the river. Alright, so we have that the angle of depression of the top of the cliff, opposite side of the river is 60 degrees. So normally, maybe somebody is sitting here and is looking at the flowing of the river. Normally is supposed to be looking in this direction. In this horizontal direction, supposed to be looking in this direction like this. But because he's looking at this flowing of the river, it makes an angle of 60 degrees to this horizontal line. So the line of sight now, the line of sight of the observer goes in this direction. So it makes an angle of 60 degrees to this horizontal line. So this angle is 60 degrees. As we know that alternate angles are equal, so this angle is also equal to 60 degrees, because this angle is alternate to this angle. So we formed a right angle triangle. Now, so we are told that the height of the cliff is 30 meters. So here is 30 meters, which is the height of the cliff. So the question now says that we should find the width of the river. So the width of the river that we have to find is the distance from this point to this point. So let's call it x. So x represents the width of the river. X represents the width of the river. So looking at what we have here, so we have to make use of SOHCAHTOA. So we have SOHCAHTOA, so that is SOH, CAH, and TOA. So which one are we going to use among these three terms from trigonometric ratio? Alright, so here we have the opposite, we have the angle, and we have the adjacent. This is opposite side of the right angle triangle. This is the adjacent side of the right angle triangle, and this is the hypotenuse side of the right angle triangle. So now, so we have the opposite, we have the included angle, and then we have the adjacent. So which one among these has what we are given here? So we have opposite, this has opposite, and we have adjacent, this has adjacent. So we can make use of TOA. So therefore, we have tan theta to be equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So that means tan 60 degrees, so it's equal to opposite is 30. So we have 30 over x, which is the width. X is the width of the river. So now, so what we need to do here is that, so we divide this by 1, this is over 1, so that we can have a fraction as we have a fraction here. Then we cross multiply. So by cross multiplying, so we have this to be x tan 60 degree, x tan 60 degree. So is equal to, so 1 times 30 degree 30, so we give us 30. So we have 30. Then we are going to divide both sides by tan 60. So we have both sides by tan 60. So this is tan 60 degree. So all over tan 60 degree. So this will cancel this. So let's manage this space here. So here we now have x to be equal to 30 over tan 60 degree, and this is equal to 30. So this is 30. Tan 60 is 1.7321. So x is equal to this. So therefore x is equal to 30 by 1.7321 will give us 17.3. 17.3. So let's approximate it, or let's round it up. So that means the width of the river is 17 meters. So the width of the river is 17 meters. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you.